to my channel and welcome to my very first celebration of Christmas in July. I am so glad that you are joining me today. Today's video is a collaboration with my friend Lissette, who is Posh is My Purpose right here on YouTube. She is also very, very active on Instagram, and I am going to leave her links in the description below, and I certainly hope that you will visit Lissette's channel. I did send her a little Christmas package, although she really outdid herself. I did not wrap anything in Christmas paper. Like I said, guys, this is my first time celebrating Christmas in July, and I have to give you a little backstory before I break into this package. So I will put a timestamp right here on the video if you want to skip ahead and just see what Lissette sent me. And I want to share a little bit of my story with you today. So, okay, welcome. You're going to get to know me a little bit better. So Lissette asked me several weeks ago if I wanted to participate in a Christmas in July box swap. And I said, sure, I would love to, because I always want the opportunity to work with my friend. She is a lovely woman, and I feel so fortunate to have met her via YouTube and to call her my friend today. And I said, absolutely, yes, I want to work on this. And little did I know, guys, that my life would change quite a bit in these past few weeks. She reached out to me a few days ago and said, hey, I don't want you to stress over this video. It's meant to be fun. So when you are ready, let me know and we will do this. And I thought, wow, that is so weird that she said that to me, because I'll tell you what, Christmas in December, most of my life stressed me out. So doing it twice, doing Christmas in July, is just like added pressure, right? So I want to explain to you why Christmas has always stressed me out. Some of you have been following along for a long time, and some of you are brand new to this channel. By the way, if you are visiting me from Lissette's channel, I want to welcome you. I am an online women's fashion reseller. That is how I make my living, and most of my videos are about reselling. But today's video, I think I will be able to resell some of the items that she sent in this beautiful package. But today's video is just a fun video. But okay, I was a single mom, guys. I got divorced when my baby was 2 years old, or just under 2 years old, and I raised two sons on my own, and I never had enough money. I lived a paycheck to paycheck. One of the reasons that my life looked like that is because I was active in alcoholism. Today I can tell you that I am sober, 18 years, but living that life when I was raising my children, there was just never enough money. So the holidays always stressed me out. Luckily for me, my birthday is 2 weeks before Christmas. So on my birthday, I would receive Christmas money, which I was able to buy Christmas gifts for my children, because that's what Christmas is about, right? The gifts. And Christmas in July, in my mind, is just this retail opportunity to sell more stuff, right? Probably the retailers are having a little bit of summer slowdown, and they said, hey, let's have Christmas in July. So I agreed to do Christmas in July. And I'll tell you what, guys, I was like, what exactly is Christmas in July besides this retail holiday? And I started looking into it, and I learned a little bit about it by Googling it. But what I did discover is that Christmas in July, I believe, is an attitude, right? It's an attitude of generosity. It is an attitude of offering friendship. It is an attitude of being charitable. All of those things came at the perfect time. I needed a reminder of all of those things, because let me just say that my life got a little crazy, not unlike the craziness in lots of other people's lives. But there was a big shift in my life in the month of July. And I am so thankful that I had this collaboration to look forward to and to actually give a little bit of thought to, because I'm the girl that at Christmas time, when I celebrate Christmas, I think, why can't everyone else take this spirit, this joy, and this happiness and these generous feelings that we're having right now, the kindness that we show each other at Christmas time, why can't everyone else take that into the other 12 months of the year? I'm telling you this, guys, because that is really how I always felt. I never thought, why can't I do it? Until like July happened, and I said, Kelly, you're the one. You are the one. Look in the mirror, Kelly. You need to be more generous, more kind, more full of joy. All of those things, guys, they were missing. I'm not going to say completely, but I certainly was not focusing on those things. In fact, self-pity may have been the place that I spent most of July. And I just think that God has a way of putting assignments and people into our life far before we even know that we need them to make us focus on what really is important. I did put together a Christmas box for Lissette. I sent it to her and she is going to open it on her channel. So I beg you to watch that video and come back here and give me some pointers, because when I was packing Lissette's box, I actually forgot some items. So I am going to put together another little box to send to Lissette, maybe closer to Christmas time, and I would love to hear your pointers. This is my first time celebrating Christmas in July. I sent my friend some clothing, guys, that I found at the bins in Phoenix, Arizona. I don't know if that's exactly what I should have done. Maybe I should have sent some jingle bells, guys, or a stocking full of things that I know that my friend Lissette would enjoy, because she is a gem. She is an angel in this community, and she has been a rock. She has been a huge encourager of mine, but she has walked side by side with me as we both try to create content and be good daughters and good friends. And I really appreciate that, as well as you, my viewers, that have reached out to me this past month. I appreciate you for sharing your experience, for sharing your hope. Some of you are going through what I am going through right this minute, and you are doing it with a lot of grace and a lot of integrity. And some of you have already been through it and you have shared your experience, but you have made me feel a little bit more human and a little bit more okay with being human. I'm so blessed, guys. I don't feel worthy of the friendships that I have made here, and I want them so badly. Thank you all so very much. I'm going to open this up because I'm getting a little emotional talking about this. I just never dreamed for the goodness that would be shown to me. And it's just my prayer that I am able to recognize and appreciate all of you. I want to thank Lissette for this package, sight unseen. It is so cool. Lissette always takes such care with attention to detail and just makes everything so much more fun. I'm going to get into this. We're going to open it up. Under that beautiful paper is a box that, of course, like I said, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. She says, sending love and light always. There is a card. There is a bow, a red bow, my favorite. Look at this poly mailer. This is so cute with peppermints on it. I'm going to read the card. Hold for just a moment. She sends a beautiful card, as you guys can see. I have to read what the card says. It says, may God fill our hearts with love and our lives with praise as we celebrate this Christmas season. And I think that's what I was trying to say all along, is this Christmas season, which lasts 12 months. I want to make it last 12 months. I don't want to be the one that forgets, guys, and I am guilty of being the one that forgets. Should we start with this really cool poly mailer? I think that we should. Let's look in here. Oh, I love this. Okay, these are, oh my gosh, this is so cute. First off is a tie with the Christmas lights, a red tie with the Christmas lights. Okay, my husband doesn't wear a lot of ties, but at Christmas we do like to, I don't know if he likes to, but I like to do matchy-matchy outfits. So this will match perfect with a red dress. And then we have some pajama bottoms. And these are adorable with that buffalo check. These have like bears on them. These are really cute. Who are they? They are Joe Boxer and they're size extra large. So these are cute, cute, cute. And I may keep those for myself. I don't know where to go next. I think this is a great start. That one was bubble wrapped and paper wrapped. And I think this is a mug. And it's red, which is my favorite color, and it says, Merry Christmas. Is this Ray Dunn? It sure looks like Ray Dunn, and I love this giant mug, guys. I drink way more coffee than any person should. Is that great? I love it. It matches my blouse. Thank you, Lissette. Merry Christmas. Everything is individually wrapped. I am going to unwrap it. Hold tight. There's a lot of items in this box. This is a turtleneck t-shirt with a Christmas stocking. It looks like a mouse. Is that a mouse? I think that's a mouse with a candy cane. And this looks like it's my size as well. This is a size large. I think I could wear this, and you will probably see me wearing this in a video. I like this. I do like turtlenecks. Are you a turtleneck wearer? Let me know in the comments. Next, we have a t-shirt. This is holiday times, and it is a size XL. What does it say? Blessings with the spirit of Christmas. Oh, you guys know I am wearing this one in a video. Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. That one is just like new too. I think this is a t-shirt as well. Make it rain. Ah, this is so cute, Lissette. I like this one. Make it rain. This one is a size extra large. Okay, I think she personalized this box, and okay, I'm gonna need some help, guys. Like I said, I am going to do round 2 for Lissette. Looks like a 2-piece pajama set here, and this is by Wondershop. These are a size medium, and I know someone that loves pajamas just like this. Do you know anybody that likes pajamas like these? Do you like these? My mama loves these pajamas, and these may be Mama's Christmas jammies. These are really cute, and pajama bottoms. These are a lightweight flannel, size medium. These are really cute, and again, like new. All right, there's one more clothing item, but Lissette sent some mailers. I love this one. I am a dog mom, and this one has a bunch of puppies with their Christmas sweaters and Christmas hats on them. She sent a couple of those and some Christmas wrapping there and some Santa. Oh, these are so nice. And of course, she sent the peppermint one, which I really like. Do you guys use the Christmas poly mailers during the holidays? I do. I do use them, but I use a buffalo check one, and that's all I use because I know that some people just do not celebrate the holidays, but I love those, and I will be using them this holiday. Okay, what is, oh, this is a scarf, you guys. Look at this. Okay, I like, oh, it has a Christmas tree on it. I thought this did not look Christmas. You know what? I could get by wearing this in the fall if I just tuck the little Christmas tree in, right? Right? Oh, I love this because it almost looks like a rainbow print, and this does have a tassel detail on it, which I absolutely like. So if I can't see the Christmas tree right now, it's not there. And then we have a matching sweater to go with this. This is new with tags. This is new with tags. It's a size large. Will this one fit me? I think so. I love this, guys. I love that trim, the colorful trim on this sweater. So much of this, guys, is going to be my December wardrobe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lissette, for your kindness. You can't even know how much I needed to do this, how much I needed to focus on Christmas in July. I was the one, guys, that just needed to count my blessings, that I just needed to reflect and take stock of all of the blessings that are in my life, and to just appreciate that once again. I know there's so many of you that understand it. I am always just blown away, guys, at how awesome God's timing is. He knows before I even know exactly what I need. Be certain to subscribe to Posh is My Purpose. She offers a lot of great insight to reselling, but she is also just a bright light in the reselling community. I know that your life will be changed for the better just by watching and feeling her energy. She truly is one of these people that is an example of taking the spirit of Christmas with her everywhere she goes, 12 months out of the year. Thank you, Lissette, for being who you are and for including me in this collaboration. Oh, before I end this video, I do want to just touch on what I mentioned earlier, my disdain for the holidays, because that's not the case any longer. With sobriety, I started to have an appreciation for helping others because, guys, women helped me to get sober and to create this really amazing life that I live today. And I try to give it back. The holidays is always a time when there are so many opportunities to give it back. But I want to be the girl that gives it back 12 months out of the year, or at least not to totally lose my mind by mid-year. So I am working on that. And this was a great reminder. I think this Christmas in July is a great holiday. In fact, it's a holiday that maybe we should set up a tree for, just to remind ourselves that the generosity, the charity, the kindness and joy that we experience in December is something that, if we are intentional about it, we can take with us throughout the year. And that is something that I plan on working on. Thank you very much for joining me today. Be certain to visit Lissette's channel, Posh is My Purpose. It is linked in the description below. Lissette is collaborating with some other YouTubers. She is making a whole series of videos surrounding Christmas in July. I can't wait to see what the other creators come up with. Thank you, Lissette, for this beautiful reminder that you have no idea how much I needed it. Thank you so much, Lissette, for blessing me with these gifts. Even more than that, for blessing me with an opportunity to reflect and to discover something that I needed to discover. I want to thank you, my viewers, for showing up and for the blessings that you have given me. You can't know how much you mean to me. I love you. And with that, I'm just going to say goodbye and Merry Christmas in July.